Hello, my friend. Welcome. Today, we talk about work. We talk about daily work. We talk about office talk. Many people feel scared at work. They think, my English is bad. They feel shy. They feel quiet. But today, we change that. Today, we learn easy English for daily work and office talk. You can do this.
Yes, you can do this. We are here with you. We speak slowly. We speak clearly. We use easy words. We repeat many times. This lesson is for beginners. This lesson is for you.
Let me tell you a small story. Imagine this. You are at work. Your boss walks to you. Your coworker talks to you. They say something simple, but you feel nervous. Your heart beats fast. You think, what do I say? This happens to many people. This is normal.
Very normal. Many learners feel this. But today, we help you. We give you simple words. We give you simple sentences. You can use them every day at work.
We promise you one thing. After this lesson, you will feel more calm. You will feel more ready. You will feel more confident.
Yes, small steps, easy English, real work talk.
Let us start very slow. First, we talk about greetings. Greetings are very important at work. Greetings are the first words you say.
Very simple greetings, like this. Good morning. Say it with me. Good morning.
Good morning. Very good. Again, good morning.
Good morning. You can say this in the morning at the office, to your boss, to your coworker.
In the afternoon, you can say, good afternoon. Repeat after me. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Very nice.
In the evening, you can say, good evening. Repeat, good evening.
Good evening. Good job.
These are safe words. These are kind words. People like them.
Now, after greeting, we often ask a small question, a friendly question. We ask, how are you?
Repeat with me. How are you?
How are you?
Good. Now, simple answers. You do not need long answers. Short answers are good.
You can say, I am good. Repeat, I am good.
I am good.
Or you can say, I am fine. Repeat, I am fine.
I am fine.
Or, I am okay. Repeat, I am okay.
I am okay.
At work, this is enough. Not long, just simple.
Now, let us put it together. Listen. Good morning. How are you? Answer, I am good.
Let us try together. Good morning. How are you?
I am good.
Very nice. You sound friendly.
Now, another daily work problem. You need help. You need to ask a question. Many beginners feel scared to ask.
But asking is good. Asking shows you care. Asking shows you want to learn.
Let us learn a very simple question. Can you help me? Repeat after me. Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Again, can you help me?
Can you help me?
This sentence is powerful, very powerful. You can use it every day.
You can say, can you help me, please? Please makes it polite.
Repeat. Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
Very good. Now, answers. What can people say?
They can say yes, or yes, sure, or of course.
Let us practice. I ask. You answer. Can you help me, please?
Yes, sure.
Great. Or, of course.
Of course.
Simple. Easy.
Now, sometimes you do not understand. This is very common. You do not hear well, or the words are fast.
It is okay. Do not feel bad. You can ask again.
Very useful sentence. Can you say that again? Repeat. Can you say that again?
Can you say that again?
Again. Can you say that again?
Can you say that again?
You can also say, sorry, I do not understand. Repeat. Sorry, I do not understand.
Sorry, I do not understand.
This is honest. This is good.
Now, mini situation. Imagine you are in the office.
I am your coworker.
Good morning, Paul.
Good morning, Emily. How are you?
I am fine. Can you help me, please?
Yes, sure.
Sorry, I do not understand. Can you say that again?
Of course.
Very good. This is real office talk.
Now, another daily thing. Talking about work tasks. Very simple.
We often say, I am working on this. Repeat, I am working on this.
I am working on this.
Again, I am working on this.
I am working on this.
You can use this for many things: a file, a task, a report.
Or you can say, I will do it. Repeat, I will do it.
I will do it.
This shows action. This shows responsibility.
Now, let us practice slowly. Repeat after me. I am working on this. I will do it.
I am working on this. I will do it.
Very good.
Another helpful sentence. I am busy now. Repeat, I am busy now.
I am busy now.
Or, I am free now. Repeat, I am free now.
I am free now.
These sentences help you manage time.
Now, common beginner mistake. Many beginners say, I working on this, not this.
Not this, but this. I am working on this.
Yes, say it again. I am working on this.
Good.
Another mistake. People say, I do it tomorrow, not this.
Not this, but this. I will do it tomorrow.
Repeat, I will do it tomorrow.
Great.
Now, let us talk about meetings. Meetings are part of office life.
Simple words for meetings.
You can say, we have a meeting. Repeat, we have a meeting.
We have a meeting.
Or, the meeting is at 10. Repeat, the meeting is at 10.
The meeting is at 10.
Very simple.
In a meeting, you can say, I agree. Repeat, I agree.
I agree.
Or, I do not agree. Repeat, I do not agree.
I do not agree.
Short, clear.
Another helpful sentence, I have a question. Repeat, I have a question.
I have a question.
Very useful.
Now, long conversation. Listen and feel the rhythm.
Good morning, Paul.
Good morning, Emily. How are you?
I am good. We have a meeting today.
Yes, the meeting is at 10.
I am working on this report.
Can you help me, please?
Yes, sure.
Sorry, I do not understand this part.
No problem. I can help you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is real. This is simple.
Now, repeat after us. Take your time.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am good.
Can you help me, please?
I am working on this.
I will do it.
I have a question.
Very nice.
Another common mistake. People forget please.
Not this, help me, but this, help me, please.
Please is kind. Please is polite.
Say it again, please.
Please.
Good.
Now, let's talk about email talk, but very simple.
At work, we say, thank you. Repeat, thank you.
Thank you.
Or, thank you very much. Repeat, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
We also say, sorry. Repeat, sorry.
Sorry.
These words are important.
Another daily sentence. I will check. Repeat. I will check.
I will check.
Or, I will get back to you. Repeat. I will get back to you.
I will get back to you.
This means you answer later.
Now, mini situation again.
Emily, can you help me, please?
Yes, sure, I will check.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Simple. Easy.
Now, recap time. We repeat. Repetition helps memory.
Greetings. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Asking, how are you? Can you help me, please?
Answers. I am good. I am fine. I am okay.
Work talk. I am working on this. I will do it.
Problems. Sorry, I do not understand this part. Can you say that again?
Meetings. We have a meeting. I agree. I have a question.
Polite words. Please. Thank you. sorry.
You see? Many words, but very simple.
You do not need perfect English. You need clear English.
You can speak. You can try. It's okay to make mistakes.
Every day, one sentence, one try.
We believe in you. You can do this.
Yes, you are not alone.
Thank you for learning with us today. Keep practicing. Speak slowly. Smile.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.